How to replace a human touch WholeBody ROVE Sound PCB. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, preferably magnetized, to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure the backrest cover to the chair, then remove the cover. Now, disconnect all of the connectors from the Sound PCB. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the PCB to the chair, then remove the PCB. To install the new PCB, place it into position with the yellow connector port facing upward, then replace the 4 screws to secure the PCB to the chair. Next, reconnect the connectors to the PCB, matching by size and color. Note the tab on each side of the backrest cover and the corresponding slots on the chair. Install the tabs into the slots, then strike the 2 upper corners of the cover to ensure that it is fully engaged. Now, replace the 4 screws to secure the backrest cover to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.